to fix this setting is disabled on manage browser issue. So if you're also facing such issue or such message being displayed on your DNS security section under your Chrome browser, so what you can do is just come back to your home screen and simply hit the keyboard combination that is Windows plus R and simply search in for Regedit. So once you search in for this Regedit, you'll ask for the permission, simply click on yes, and once you're inside here, so let me quickly show you step by step. So once you search for registry editor, you will be redirected to this page and just tap on this HKey local machine and come enlarge it and simply tap on this software and again enlarge it as well and simply enlarge this Google and come to this Chrome. So all you have to do is just click on this Chrome, and once you tap on this Chrome, simply you just have to right click on it and delete this value. If it's not deletable from there, you can also simply delete the whole Chrome folder from over here as well. So once you delete all of that, just make sure you restart your PC or laptop and your issues will be fixed just like that. So that is it for today, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.